Lines and proportions. Parallel lines and proportions. So, first let's just kind of talk about a general problem here. It so happens that my buddy has a lake cottage, and it's on the water there. And the property lines go like this. They're all parallel to the lake. And the road comes along and it goes like this. And it forms 90-degree angles. Now, I actually drew these kind of wrong because his property line's more like this. And then there's a big, freaking huge mansion. Right there. Okay? Freaking huge mansion. Freaking huge. And we were wondering just how much the lot's worth. How much is the lot worth? Because shoreline on the lake, for lakefront property, I believe it's every foot of lakefront property is like $5,000. 1 foot of lakefront costs $5,000. So, I mean, as you can see, that can quickly get pretty darn expensive, right? So we're going to try to figure out how much their lakefront property is here. He's got 30 feet right there. We're going to figure out how much the mansion has here in a little bit. But we got to get to that. We'll get to that in a few moments. First, the triangle proportionality theorem. Triangle proportionality theorem simply says if these are parallel, those are parallel if and only if A over B is equal to C over D. That's the only way you know they are going to be parallel. So if we had an A-frame house, well, it's a slightly tilted A-frame house. Make it slightly tilted. Right here. Anyone seen A-frame houses? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Okay. So we've got our little A-frame house here. And we've got this right here. We got the floor. And we're not sure if the floor is tilting or not. It might be tilting. We can't tell. So we're going to do some measuring here. Going up into the second part here, this is 15 feet, this is 10 feet, and on this side, this is 20, and this is 12. Is the floor tilting or is it parallel to the ground? I will give you 15 seconds to check your proportion, make a proportion and check. Go. 15 over 10, is that equal to 20 over 12? Are those equal? No, they're not. So what does that mean? The floor is tilted. It's not parallel to the ground. Means we need to spend some money, doesn't it? Yes, these are not parallel. These are not parallel. That's no good for us. No good. Now, what if we want to make sure it was parallel? Like, okay, fine. We're going to fix this thing. Up here, this is going to be 21 feet. How much? So we fix this side here. We're like, okay, we're going to fix it. We're just going to get the Incredible Hulk in there. He's going to go over there, and he's going to slide the floor up, push the floor up a little bit, okay? Or lower down, whatever needs to be. So we measure 21 feet up here. How long is this side going to have to be? Okay? Step your proportion. Over 10 is equal to 21 over x. X is equal to 210, so x has to equal what? Everybody, 1, 2, 3. 14, correct. 14. If x is 14, so if x equals 14, then floors are parallel. So that's the triangle proportionality theorem. An extension of this is the midsegment theorem. A midsegment is made, we already made these for trapezoids, we're just going to make them for triangles now. The triangle midsegment theorem. I find the midpoint on each side here and connect them. This is called a midsegment. So midsegments connect the midpoints. Midsegments connect the midpoints. Is this going to be parallel to the base? No? Yes, it is. Is A, like let's call this A, like up here. A, well, this much is also going to be A, right? Let's call this side C. Well, but that's the same number down here. Is A over A equal to C over C? Yeah, that could be any number. So, all we really have here is just extension of the triangle proportionality theorem. So, midsegments are parallel to the base. It's parallel to the base. These things are parallel. The midsegment is also half of the base. Midsegment's also half of the base. All right. Let's see here. So if I gave you the following, here's an example. And I said this is 3y plus 1, and this is 20. How would you find y? Discuss it with your team here, set up, an equation in order to find y.